Okay, now we're on top of the ladder, the scaffolding. I'll turn around. See? Remember I told you I put that little mark right there on the window inside. I got to clean that off. I drilled the hole here, but see how I put all those right there. And over to the antenna, left a little bit of cord there, a little slack because it's got to go up. All right, so now 1, 2. I put 2 closer ones here because the wind's going to come down like this, the air when he's flowing. Try to pull it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, did I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 of them. So that's about 300 pounds of force holding that. All right, so they ain't going to go nowhere. And they're zip tied on, like I told you about the zip tie. And those are military grade 75 pounds. So I want to come with the Kidder 45 pounder. So I go a little bit extra. And now what I got to do is heat up the garage. I'm going to get it warm. And I'm going to put all this stuff back in. That panel right there. And then I'm going to put this piece on right here. Seal it. And then I'm going to RTV seal it. Okay. These are not holes. These are just that adhesive I told you about. Less holes, the better off we are. Okay. There's his antenna. And he's going to have a good height on that. That's a good 30 inches right there. All right, and that's a stainless steel bracket right there. All right, so let's get down, see if we can be safe here, because I don't really need to fall. Well, nobody does, but I don't need my back to go all the way out again. All right, so once again, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Let me show you real quick what I was talking about in that cap piece. I gotta go get some silicone. I gotta go get remember, I'm a one-man video operation, folks. I'm not a professional video recorder. Yeah. So this is the part. Let's crawl back up there. I think I showed you already on one video. There's a bunch of these little videos for this. All right, so I'm getting up. It's just me. My wife comes out every now and then to check on me, make sure I ain't laying on the floor dead. See, that'll go. That'll go right in there. And it screws down. And then you got to silicone seal it there. Oh, I got stuck in there now. Oh well, I'll get it up before I seal it. Because this rubber O-ring and these little bitty screws go on there, okay? And then there's another adhesive, okay? So there isn't really a lot of places. I got a silicone here. I got silicone there. That is where the factory put a satellite dish, but there was no hole. So imagine I had to wire that wire through. So I found the best location. He kind of guided me over. Said, "Hey, above the driver's center, there's a satellite thing." I said, "Oh, okay, that's good." So I don't know every RV, folks. I know what to do with them when I have them. And a lot of questions. Hey, you know where this is? No, I don't. Because just about every RV they make, sometimes they move stuff around. Then you get it used, and the person before you or the tech before you said, "Man, let me do this to it." And it's not original. All right, so let me get down from this. There we go. All right, well, that's about it. I'm going to go get this power strip so I can put it up there on his communication area. And then I'm going to heat up the garage, and I'm going to silicone. I don't believe I have to show you how to silicone, but if I do, you drop me a message on here saying, "Hey, show me how to silicone," or "Show me how to seal something," and I'll be glad to do it. All right, so I'm out of here, folks. Thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, there's 4 ways to get me. One is probably off the floor when I fall off a scaffolding. Now, one is on the YouTube channel, RV Diagnostics. Please, folks, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Look down below in the comment section because there's links to places that I show you where I get stuff and all the numbers I gave you. Like on this adhesive stuff right here, it's very important to use this. And I did that on the boogie lights. I did a video prior to this. This is the same vehicle. He's done a lot of work to this little stuff, but it adds up. It's a beautiful coach. All right, the second way you can get a hold of me is the www.rvdiagnostics.com. That is where I do one-on-one with you, troubleshooting with you. I don't care if it's drivability, brakes, RV heaters, hydronic heaters, which is aqua hot, Hurricanes, Oasis. It don't matter. Propane heaters, propane water tanks. It don't matter, folks. I've been at this 50 years. Like I said, some of my Army buddies out there will tell you, there you go. So I love what I do. It's a passion. So yeah, it's Saturday and it's getting late. Better get in there and eat. I think I just got a text saying come eat. Well, anyway, what's the other way? Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. You can use the Facebook Messenger to message me. Say, hey man, I need a little help on something. Sometimes if I got time, I help you for nothing. All right, just to show you that it can be done. Now, some of you were taking advantage of that, so it's all right. I got you. Anyway, the other one is at this garage. Okay, this over in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. How can you get a hold of me there? One, you use my email, Jeff@RV Diagnostics. That's a tough email. And the other one is on Facebook Messenger. Okay. And the other one is the YouTube. When you watch a YouTube, just put something, hey, Jeff, I was asking about this there and here, and I quite didn't understand your video. So how about if I stop by? And trust me, when you stop by to get your RV to work on, if you want to hang around a little bit, I help you learn how to troubleshoot. There's a couple out there, Doug and all them, they had a blast with me. The one gentleman, I forgot his name, but God, he had a beautiful rig. Oh my God, it was a Super C. He did the batteries and all that, and he did most of the labor. We just used each other and had a blast, and him and his wife, and it was fun watching them have fun. Like I said, thank you very much, folks. This is Jeff. I'm out of here.